Hello, welcome our Review Insight channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the spice racks which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Yucapia Chef's Edition Spice Stack 30 Bottle Spice Organizer with Universal Drawers. This spice rack is the perfect solution for cooks who have too many spices. It holds up to 30 full-size spice bottles or 60 half-size spice bottles and can accommodate either round or square spice containers. The drawers on this rack pull out and lower so you can see all the spices in each drawer in one glance. Then you simply slide the drawer back in for neat and compact storage. This does not include spice containers, but it does include 96 labels. Of those, 48 are pre-printed with the names of the most common spices, and 48 are blank, for blends or unusual spices you have. There's no need to mount or install this rack. Just slide it into your cabinet or leave it on a shelf or on your counter. This unit is 8 3/4 x 10 and 7/8 x 12 3/4 wide, to fit most standard cabinets. Other sizes and spice capacities are also available. Number 2. Best Pantry Wall Spice Rack. Country Rustic Spice Rack Organizer. When you're tucking a spice rack into your pantry, it doesn't need to have frills and decorations, but there's nothing wrong with a bit of design. This one has a rustic look, with a metal chicken wire design that would also fit perfectly in a country-style kitchen. The shelves, at 3.7 inches deep, are designed to hold most common spice jars, at a total size of 17.3 inches by 26.7 inches high with 5 shelves. This rack can hold a lot of jars, yet it's narrow enough to fit inside your pantry door or on any convenient wall. This is easy to assemble, with no tools required. Screws are included for mounting. Highlighted features: space saving, 5 tiers, rustic design, easy installation. Number 3. Kamenstein 5,244,684 Revolving 20 Jar Countertop Rack Tower Organizer. Caps and free spice refills for 5 years. A perfect gift for a new kitchen, or for someone who really needs to dispose of those ancient spices with no flavor left. This revolving spice rack keeps the 20 most common spices at your fingertips and includes the rack, jars with sifter tops, and the spices. The rack has an attractive stainless steel finish that will look good in any kitchen, and spins easily, so you can retrieve the correct spice every time. Since the jars tuck into the rack and the lids are opaque, they aren't exposed to as much light as other racks that leave the full jar is full view. An added bonus with this rack is that if you register it, the company will send you free refills of any of the spices for up to 5 years. Highlighted features: 20 PR refill spice jars are included. Modern revolving display, attractive contemporary design, great quality, easy to use revolving carousel spice rack. Tough and impact resistant ABS thermoplastic. Number 4. Yucapia Chef's Edition Spice Stack 30 Bottle Spice Organizer with Universal Drawers. This is a wonderful item if you want your spices within easy reach but do not actually want to have them displayed. Enter the Yucapia Spice Organizer. This organizer functions a great deal like a set of drawers. There are 3 separate levels. Each one can be easily pulled out and kept at an angle. This allows you to easily access the spice or herb that you need. Now, you may be wondering just how you can identify each ingredient. This can be done thanks to the labels that are provided. There are printed and non-printed ones available for you. You simply put the label in front of the corresponding bottle and you will know exactly which ingredient it is. You can store up to 30 bottles of varying sizes in this wonderful invention. It is especially handy if you want to store the ingredients in a cabinet that is a little higher up, as it is simple to pull out. Key features: Store and organize 30 full-size or 60 half-size round spice bottles. Drawers pull out and lower to display spices for easy location and reach. Compact unit saves valuable counter, cabinet space. No installation or mounting. Number 5. 4-tier Black Country Rustic Chicken Wire Pantry, Cabinet or Wall-Mounted Spice Rack Storage Organizer. Highlighted features, designed to hold standard-size spice jars. Available in 3 colors, white, black, and gray. Rustic country design appeal. My Gift has been a manufacturer of home and kitchen products for more than 20 years. This storage organizer is a wall-mounted rack that allows easy hanging on many surfaces. It can be on a pantry door, on a kitchen wall, or on the insides of a cupboard. The My Gift Country Rustic Chicken Wire Storage Organizer is a 4-tiered wire shelf designed to secure its contents. Each level of shelf can accommodate a lot of standard-size spice bottles, jars, and other kitchen products. The rustic chicken metal wiring design is a perfect complement to any farmhouse design theme. You can save counter and cabinet space once your spices and stuff are organized. Add functionality and style to your walls when you use this spice rack storage organizer. Pros: it has 4 shelves to accommodate a lot aesthetically pleasing design fit for any theme. Cons: it is a little bit expensive than the others. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.